Hi there, my name is Carrie Marquis and I'm a senior attorney with the law office of Brian Fagan. Today I want to talk with you about adopting a child as part of a blended family. It's a wonderful thing when an adult wants to open their heart and their home to a child and promise to care for him or her forever. However, that can be a little tricky if you are, for instance, the step-parent and you want to adopt your stepchild. So if the child is wanting to adopt, needs to have only one living biological parent. Unfortunately, that is not always the case. If your stepchild, has two living biological parents, then the other biological parent would have to give up his or her parental rights. Depending on the situation, some parents are willing to do this, but sometimes they aren't. If the other biological parent is not willing to give consent and sign documents consenting to the adoption of their child by another adult, then there are certain steps all of you must follow to ensure your child's best interests are met. There are just a few steps involved in petitioning for a step-parent adoption. The first step is you and your spouse would file a joint petition for adoption regarding this adoption request. This means both of you will file the same document with the court and request to have the other biological parent's rights terminated. You will also ask to be named as your stepchild's legal parent. One of the first steps in this process will be the judge appointing a social worker or an entity to begin a social study of your family. A social study is a fairly common practice for different family law cases. An independent third-party social worker or professional will be appointed to your case. He or she will conduct interviews with all the relevant parties, review the nature of the relationship between your stepchild and the adults in your home, and inspect your home for a healthy living environment. A social study can at times feel a bit intrusive and uncomfortable. However, the judge must learn as much as possible about your home life. Next, an attorney will be appointed to represent your stepchild's interests. Many parents will take issue with this step, believing they represent the best interest of their child or stepchild already. However, it's essential to note that the judge will want to ensure your child has an objective and compassionate advocate on their behalf to provide another outlook for the child. The amicus attorney will perform similar work to the social study liaison and make recommendations to the judge about how the adoption petition should be ruled upon. Once all of these steps are complete, a hearing will be held in which evidence will be presented by both you and your spouse to make everything official and complete the adoption process. I hope this video has been very helpful to you. Any of our attorneys at the law office of Brian Fagan are happy to assist you through your custody journey. For more information and to schedule your free 30-minute consultation, please call our office at 281-810-9760. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the post notification button so you won't miss the next one.